Welcome to another air fryer recipe of Sonak Foodtales. Today we are making a Sindhi delicacy Dal Pakwan. Today's twist is frying the pakwan in air fryer. If you haven't subscribed yet, do not forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon. Let's begin with dal. This is chana dal which is soaked overnight. Take 3 cups of chana dal, soak it overnight. Add chana dal in a pressure cooker. Add 4 cups of water. This dal is very simple. You can add ingredients as per your choice. Just 6-7 whistles in the pressure cooker and your dal is ready. Now let's start making the pakwan. We are making 2 types of pakwan today. One with maida and one with whole wheat flour. This is the maida pakwan. Upper layer of the chapati. Air fry at 200 degrees for 2 minutes. Until the pakwans are air fried, we can prepare the tarika for dal. People often question me that air fryer takes a lot of time and effort. Personally, I find it very easy. Because if you are deep frying the pakwans, you have to stand in front of the flame and keep pressing it, keep flipping it. But with air fryer, it is taking care of itself and I am here making tadka for dal. So our dal is ready with all the tadka and garnishing. Let's move on to the air fryer. flip the pakwan after 2 minutes. So you can do either of the two methods. Experience with this recipe, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.